This class has three components. One is the lab, one is the in-class teaching, and one is the project, which is delivered at the end of the course. They learn by sitting at the desk, but they're actually hands-on, taking the theory in practice and practicing and starting to learn the tools that then are going to be key important for when they go out in the industry. So it's very important that they touch it, they see them, they read from an equipment, they understand what a correct or a not correct reading is from the equipment. They understand the timing that needs to be involved in collecting data, for example, how many times the equipment can fail or needs to be maintained. So everything that I teach in class has a meaning that it's much deeper from just the theory concept, because here in the lab they see what those concepts are from, what those numbers mean. So it's another type of experience for sure from what they do in class. I think it's very important that they're using these resources on campus. These are brand new labs. They're very clean, well equipped. So it's actually a very good representation of what we are able to do today with the tools we have. So it's not like an outdated lab that actually outside nobody uses anymore. This is very realistic, and that's what I appreciate about this opportunity for them. They're more firm on their beliefs, they know what to expect, they're more confident because they know that what they're using, it's great. It's a great environment to be in, and so they learn in the best environment we can provide for them.